What up everyone, Sean here with Shifting Gears, and in today's video I'm meeting up with my buddy Anthony. We're gonna go on a car cruise the back hills. We're gonna cruise the Pacific Coast Highway and cruise out towards Vandenberg Air Force Base. He just purchased a 2020 RT Charger in Frostbite Blue. It's freaking sexy. Say what's up, Anthony.
What's up?
So his car, he just got this. When did you get this? A week ago?
Week and a half ago, yeah.
Week and a half ago. So let's take a look at his car and show you all the different specs. So with his, it's a 2020 RT in Frostbite. With the 2020, it looks like they give you the Scat Pack front bumper.
Yep.
And then they give you the more aggressive hood. And one thing that he actually decided to get was he got 4-piston Brembo brakes, which is new for the RTs, I believe in either 2019, 2020.
Yeah, handling group.
Got the Hemi badge, you got the handling group, and that's what upgraded it?
Yeah, upgraded suspension.
Nice.
Performance suspension.
Dude, this color is sick. It looks a lot better in person. This camera is not doing it justice. The inside, not much has changed. Super clean on the inside. It's one of my favorite colors that they come out with. So last year I was telling Anthony earlier that when I was at Springfest, we actually voted on several different colors, and there was about 10 or 11 different colors, and I voted on this Frostbite Blue, and I also voted for what is now Hellraisin. It was called Black Eye back then when I voted on it, and I really like the black eye, but I definitely think this is my favorite color Mopar has right now. Super sick. He's part of Central Coast Mopars. There's several Mopar clubs out here on the Central Coast. I'm part of, I don't know, 4 or 5 different clubs myself. Are you part of any other clubs, just Central Coast Mopar?
Central Coast, Golden State, Santa Barbara, Lompoc. Basically in the area, San Diego as well.
Yeah. So you're in all the Mopar ones, I'm in all the Mopar and Challenger ones. So we're pretty much in the majority of the same clubs. I've worked with Anthony at a few different jobs. We've known each other probably, what, like 7, 8, I don't know, 9 years?
8, 9 years,
Yeah. Dude, this thing is, it's fire. The paint, so clean. Well, let me know what you guys think. Hopefully you guys his 2020 Charger. We're actually gonna do a cruise right now. We're gonna go ahead and head out east, do a loop out there, and then we're gonna head out west to Highway 1, and we're gonna do a loop out there. I know you guys haven't seen my car in a while. Nothing's changed on it. I haven't done a whole lot. Anthony actually just hooked me up with this hat from Dodge. So yeah, nothing's changed on my car. I still have, then the only most recent changes are the badges. If you guys haven't seen that, make sure you check out one of my old videos. A lot's coming to this car very soon. I'm going to be getting a full wrap. I'm going to be doing the front end, and I'm probably going to be putting a wide body on it. So that's the stuff coming to my car. Obviously new rims if I'm going to get hard wheels, if I'm going to get the wide body on. So we're going to head out. I'm going to go take some photos as well. I brought my nice camera, so we're going to take some shots of the cars. This color is fire. So, all right, stay tuned.
What's up, bro?
So as soon as we left the parking lot to go on our cruise, we actually ran into my buddy Rome, who has a Scat Pack Supercharged Challenger with a Whipple in it. It's super dope. He's currently in the process of changing into E85, and he took that clip that I just showed you guys. So he was heading out a different way. We didn't get a cruise together, but next time I'll definitely show you guys. And the reason why I wanted to even touch base on it was I got so many comments and messages on Instagram about whose car that was, and it's my friend Rome's. I'll put his Instagram right here. He also has a YouTube channel, so make sure you check that out. But let me give you a quick walk around of his car and the inside, because his inside is super clean. He's done the entire outside of his car and the inside of his car with a half roll cage, upgrades to his entire interior. He has new seats from Braum. So go ahead and check out this clip real quick of my buddy Rome's car, and then at the end of the video I'll show you guys how the photo shoot turned out with mine and Anthony's cars. His car looks super fire on my Sony. So my Sony that I use for my photography, it's also a great video camera. I just happen to not have the proper lens for it right now. I should say I do have it, but it's not working properly. So this is an amazing camera for vlogging. Right now I'm just using my phone because I've been having issues with my lens that I have. I need to go get it checked out and fixed. So we're able to take some photos because this is a 16mm lens. The lens that I'm having issues with for vlogging is my 10mm to 18mm. So I need to get that fixed. So without further ado, check out my buddy Rome's car and let me know what you guys think. Make sure you guys check out his YouTube and Instagram page because he's got some awesome content.
Here we go again, filling up on 91. Satin black, classic. Car's still shiny. Kind of like it with the louvers off now. Might do that for a while. Well, yeah, no 85 for now. I'm going dedicated. Yeah, too many ups and downs that I wasn't in it for this system for. So, if you're checking out my YouTube stuff, stay tuned. I'll be posting up. All right, I think we're good. I got the startup tune from OSD Dyno for the new injectors. So, got to go out and data log. But we got some gas, we got some AFRs. I already checked back here multiple times for leaks, which I did have something going on, so be sure to check out the YouTube video for that. That was fun. Messing under here. We running. I already checked all that, no leaks. Just sounds like I got some rocks. That's about it. Fuel pressure, nice and steady. I just temporarily mounted that up there until I get the firewall cover done up. But yeah, we're live. So just gonna put some of the car back together, start data logging. That way we can get a real tune and put some E85 in. Yeah.
And before you guys go, I wanted to go ahead and touch base on one last thing real quick. Is one of my sponsors. You guys have been DMing me quite a lot about the different sponsorships that I have and the promotion. One of my new sponsors is Toro. They're a great sunglass company. I just recently partnered with them. So make sure you check out Toro. They make some awesome Polaroid sunglasses. They're super flexible. They're supposed to like be able to bend like super crazy. And they're really sturdy. These ones are matte. They also make them in several different colors. Right now they're giving you guys, I believe, a 20% discount when you guys use Mopar Vibes. So make sure you check out Toro. These glasses have been super awesome, and I really like them for driving because they stay on my face really well. They're scratch resistant, water resistant, and they're just awesome. So definitely go check them out at Toro's website, and also I'll put their Instagram right here. Make sure you guys stay tuned. Make sure you support my sponsors because I'm able to get more content out to you guys, get more sponsorships when you guys go check out their products. And letting you guys know right now, I have turned down several different sponsorships just because I don't believe in the product. It's not something that's, that I would use personally, so I just don't do it. Because I don't use their product and I'm not a fan of their product, I wouldn't recommend it to my followers. So make sure if you guys do want something to check out my sponsorship tab on my Instagram, but all the discounts should be in there. Every sponsorship that I have is a product that I use consistently, or I think the product is awesome. There's probably at least a dozen or so different discounts for sunglasses, Novi Stretch, for car wash products, you name it, to iDrive throttle controller, to different decals for your car. So I've partnered with a lot of different brands, and they've been super awesome to Mopar Vibes and my YouTube channel, Shifting Gears. So make sure you check them out. Once again, check out Toro's website, 20% discount. The product is phenomenal. They have different colors. They have like a red color for the lens. They also have a blue color, and they also have a darker color. This is like the medium, a black tint. And all their sunglasses are polarized. And check them out. Go ahead and look at the pricing. Once again, you guys get 20% off. It's a great deal. So definitely check out their website. Peace.